Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So Snapchat is releasing something known as Family Center, and this is good news if you're a parent and you want to kind of have better security for your child's Snapchat usage. So essentially what this feature is going to allow parents to do is their kid will have Snapchat, but then what the parent will do is that they will download Snapchat on their phone themselves, and then once they link their kids or their child's Snapchat account to their account, they can search within the app for the Family Center. And then what this feature is going to allow you to do, it says once configured, and I will be doing videos on how to do that when it gets released for me, but this is just to tell you about it. So it says parents will be able to see which accounts the teen is having conversations with on the app over the past 7 days. So that's one thing to remember. It's only going to be for the past 7 days, without being able to view the contents of those messages. So if you're a teenager and you're worried about your parents reading your messages, they won't actually be able to read the messages, only see which person that you're talking to. And that is what is essentially the feature is going to allow you to do. Various other platforms such as you can see Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have implemented similar things, and I think this is quite a good feature for security on Snapchat. Now, one also important thing is that it's only available for people 13 through 18, as the app is not meant to be used by younger users. So if you're in that age bracket, then your parents might want to be able to use this feature to be able to link their account to yours, to see who you're having conversations with and things of that nature. So if you think this is a good update from Snapchat, drop a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.